Hi lovers of good things, another delicious recipe, Owoh soup. Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? As for me, I am doing great, all by the grace of God. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. If today is your first time coming across this great channel, you are highly welcome. Feel free, you are going to be amazed with what we are doing here. So in today's video, I'm going to be making Owoh soup. Did you hear that? Owoh soup. If you don't know what is Owoh soup is made all with these ingredients that you are just seeing right now, and is a native soup. Delicious one as that. This Owoh is so sweet. So guys, the sweetest is that you can use it with any food of your choice, almost any food of your choice. You can use it with yam, plantain, starch, rice, eba, potato, agidi. Can you see this? You can use it with almost every food. So this Owoh is really. I have my fresh microfish. I have my roasted turkey, and you can use if any bit of your. A lover of all these dry fish, you can use them. But me, I don't normally like dry fish. I prefer fresh fish. So if you love all those dry fish, go ahead. They are the perfect meat for this Owoh. But this is how I prepare mine. And you need enough crayfish. You can see you need enough crayfish to make this perfect. And my half scotch bonnet pepper, because I don't want too much pepper in this Owoh. So this is gari. It's called cassava. This make it thicker. And I have my onions. Onions is very needed. Like onions is very important for this Owoh, so that it will come out so perfect. This is my potash. Let me bring it out. Potash, they do call it account. This is potash. And these are my Maggi cube. I'll be using 1.5 for this recipe. I'll be using 1.5. And you also need oil, red palm oil. This is the red palm oil. And you need tomato as well. You need tomatoes. I'll be using multi for this. You can also make it without tomatoes, but you need crayfish and onions. That are the two important ingredients in this Owoh, and that potash. So these are the ingredients that is needed. Before we go right into this video, if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome and you are appreciated. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are awesome, amazing people. Thank you for always tuning in. May the Lord God Almighty bless you. And if you decide to join this family, oh my God, you are highly welcome and you are appreciated. So without taking much time, I will go ahead and blend all these ingredients. I'm going to blend all the ingredients. Just stay tuned and watch me how I make this. You have to soak it so that it will get a little bit melter. So before adding it to the blender. So guys, this is my blended tomatoes, onions and everything. So I'll add it now. My gas is on already. You need a lot of water to cook it very well. Stay tuned guys. So guys, At this time, I will add the turkey. So the gari is optional. If you don't want to use gari, you can skip the gari. And if you want to put everything at once, you can also do that. Owoh is cooked in different pattern and different way. So I will add my Maggi cube. Now it is cold time. All Maggi is getting strong, so I will just put it because I know everything got met. I will also be adding my fresh fish, so you can put everything at the same time. At the same time you are adding your tomato, but I don't want this fish to just scatter, so that's why. At the same time, I will add salt. So I'm going to stir. I'm going to cover it for 10 minutes more. So before getting ready, I will add my potash in the plate. You have to blend it. I have a lot of blended one inside. So if your own is strong like this, you have to blend it. We are going to soak this potash. I'm going to soak it with hot water. Keep on watching, guys. Guys, oh my goodness. The scent alone will make you hungry. So go ahead and add the potash. You can see the tomatoes and the rest ingredient is cooked already. This potash is very important for this. You see, everything is going to be bubble. I'll add a little bit more. So I will put off the gas now. I will off the gas and I will wait for 5 minutes before I add the oil. You can also add it this time, but if you want it to be thicker, you wait for some minutes before adding the oil. I want it to be thicker, so I will wait for 5 minutes so that the hotness will cool down. Then I will add oil. Keep watching. So guys, it's cold a little bit. You can see it's cold now. It's already thick. This time we'll add our red palm oil. A little. This is one thing about Owoh. All the meats, all the fish will just, they will scatter. It consumes oil. If you want it to be thicker, more and more, you add more oil and potash. So those things are the things that make it thicker. But I don't want too much oil. I believe it's okay like this. So this is it. The more it gets cold, the more it gets thicker. So if you enjoy this video, you enjoy what you just watched, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Put on the notification bell in case anytime I put on a new video, you will be the first to notify. You can also share this video amongst your friends and family. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.